morning to all of you. Today I'm going on letting you know about the news of the Ram Singh suicide case, which was held on the 16th December 2012 in the Delhi Sarita Bihar in a running bus. A girl was raped by the five person in a running bus at 9 o'clock night. And we all aware with that we are totally aware with that news that that five culprits are caught by the police, and police has sent them into a jail. And one person who was the driver of that bus, his name was Ram Singh. He committed suicide yesterday morning in a jail, which was in a Tihar jail, which was in a Delhi. And there were the two other persons with him who were also the criminal, and they all were sitting with him, and they all were living with him in that particular jail. And Dr. Kiran Bedi, the IPS officer, she was in her interview she said that we all should be wait for the inquiry report of the police, that what was the total situation about the suicide, and what was the total information about that suicide, that in the jail, where was the camera, was it inside the room, was it inside the prison, was it outside the prison, or it was only in the compound of the jail. So if we have total data about that particular committed suicide, then we all will get a conclusion regarding it. And I think, Dr. Kiran Bedi, in fact me also, I think that that is not a suicide case, because it might be a strategy, it might be a plan of someone, because there were the two person, there was the other two person who was shared with who also shared the prison with Ram Singh, that because he committed suicide in because before in a midnight on Sunday, because he committed suicide on Monday and morning, and on Sunday midnight the other two person, and he was chatting with his friends in a jail. And her friends and his friends said that he was absolutely normal at the midnight. It was absolutely normal at the midnight. So so they don't think so that it may be a suicide case. And one more thing, there was that it is one more thing, that is one guard were also the outside of the jail, who was as a guard, he was standing there for his caretaking. And of course that person, that this case is too much critical for all the police, and for all of us, and for all the India, and of course there was too much protection for this. And as for particular my view, and as a particular view of the Dr. Kiran Bedi, that there should be the separate protection. There might be the separate protection for that particular person, for that particular culprit, a criminal, accused person, a rapist. His name was that was Ram Singh. And of course, and if we come to the conclusion of that particular news, that if he really did and if he really committed a suicide, so obviously it was too much okay, and obviously it was a good, because as we all know about it, that our government wasn't taking a strict action regarding this case. And if he actually committed a suicide, that's too good. And before his suicide, he said to his friends who were sharing with his prison, that he said that me and my brother, and of course his brother was also indulged in this case. His name was Mr. Mukesh. And he said to his friends that me and my brother Mukesh will also be get hanging punishment by our government, and might be our family will be finished, our parents will be finished, our whole family will be finished after this. And I am too much apologize for this case. And seriously, and he was accused, and seriously he was apologized. But we all know, and as a girl, and as a resident of our country, and as a human being, I think that this case and that this computer that suicide was a better option for him. That because our government will do nothing. And if I see with a common girl, and if I see with a common human being, then of course it was good for me and for him and for all of the person. And of course this was the that was in a Hindi word that was insaf for that particular girl whose name was the Damini, and who died in a hospital, and with a very critical stage. And if our government didn't give any punishment to him, then obviously that is usually that he will suffer all the life in his he will suffer all the life in the jail, and will board and will do. And if might be, and if he apologize a lot in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, then maybe possible that our government will let him from the jail. And of course that might be possible that he will do again that he will repeat such type of the crime, such as the rape with some other girls. So that was okay. And if and there are also remaining. There are also the 4 culprits, the 4 rapists are also living right now, and still they all are alive. I think they all should be died by the government or by themselves, because they don't deserve the life. They don't deserve any apologize, and they don't deserve any goodness from the government, from the human being, and from someone else. If the government doesn't give any punishment, they should be hanged themselves. So that is the conclusion, that it's the best that he committed a suicide. Okay, thank you.